I'm Paul Perkins with the check of your ag weather. After a breezy day today with highs 15 degrees colder than normal in the upper 30s to the 40s, tomorrow for many locations going to be the warmest day so far this season with highs in the 60s to the mid 70s. Ahead of low pressure, south wind gusts of 40 to 50 increase the fire weather concerns and the chance of blowing dust on into Kansas. Rain and thunderstorm chances increase tomorrow night when low pressure and a warm front lift to the north. Few of those storms could be strong to severe in Nebraska. The track of the low is likely to leave many areas, though, with little precipitation or in the dry slot. On the backside of low pressure, northwest wind gusts of 45 are expected on Friday as highs cool back to the 40s to the low 50s. Temperatures may even drop and light rain may change over to snow. The weekend is dry with highs forming into the mid 60s to the low 70s by Palm Sunday. Temperatures cool slightly early next week as a chance of rain moves in by Monday night through Tuesday. Early on in the long-term forecast, Nebraska and Kansas will be right between much warmer air to the southeast and much cooler air to our northwest. This is likely to lead to seasonal to slightly cooler than normal temperatures for Nebraska and Kansas Monday through April 11th. Slightly above normal precipitation is likely for Monday through April 11th for both Nebraska and Kansas. Key weather factors continuing to drive the markets include numerous storms in the west, concerns for snow not melting in the northern plains, and isolated rains in central Brazil. A storm centered just west of Northern California moves inland across Southern California tomorrow. That storm crosses the southwest U.S. and emerges over the Central Plains late on Friday. After reaching peak intensity over the Midwest Saturday, the system moves northeastward and begins to weaken. Storm impacts include a stripe of heavy wet snow from South Dakota and northern Nebraska into the upper Great Lakes, windy and dry weather on the southern plains, and strong thunderstorms Friday through Saturday in the mid and lower Mississippi Valley and nearby areas. For the western areas of the southern plains, the outlook remains mostly dry as the region is missed once again by another large storm. A similar large storm is expected next week in the southern plains. Towards the northern plains and Canadian prairies, occasional snow continues through tomorrow with a heavier band in South Dakota Friday that could add to the snowpack. Cold temperatures in the northern plains limit the snow melting for yet another week, and the risk of significant flooding is increasing when temperatures turn warmer, possibly very quickly. In central Brazil, wet season rains are decreasing and stay isolated through the next month. This could leave Brazil's second crop corn with low soil moisture during development. Southern Brazil may fare better with rain moving up from Argentina. Argentina is active with more rain going into next month. The Argentina rains, though, too late to reverse the prospects for damaged corn and soybeans. With the check of your ag weather, I'm Paul Perkins.